It upsets me so much because people say blitzkrieg or lightning war, or they mistranslate it as speed. No, Germany had steam power, had electrical grid. And they were working on the electrical grid and also clean, safe water as well. I had the best German scientists. And so when they said blitzkrieg, like I said, they were also doing the Hoover Dam. The German scientist, or one of the Germans, was actually drawing up plans to build the Hoover Dam in America. So something that's not known about apparently. Like I said, it's White Star, it's Lucifer, it's me, it's my people, it's humanity. Anyway, so that's why so many countries actually joined Germany, is because Germany could offer clean, safe water. Germany can offer power, electrical grid, heat. They had equipment, they had engines, they had my stuff. Anyway, I was directing Hitler, I was directing Germany. Like I say, Germany actually was the pre-America. They were pacifist actually, and they were under my flag, and they were doing what I wanted them to do, which was building roads, building rail systems. That's all they were doing. Cities would join up because, well, for one thing, we were building the cities, and other little cities, other little groups would be like, we want you to come. And it's like, all right, we'll build a road. We'll build a railway. And so they were going out there. And then pretty soon, and power. Lights. The lights would come on. Everyone had power. Everyone had light. I said my cities were the best. That's why all those other countries joined up, was because we would build a city there. We would build power. We'd get them clean, safe water that came from a nice, clean well. My German scientists were the best. There was no contaminants. Zero contamination in the water. 99.9% pure water. The purest, best water anyone had ever tasted came from the German scientists. Absolute perfect water. For every house. No contamination, no lead, no nothing. They could provide that. They had filters that could take out everything out of the water. And we were working on a boiling water system to make sure that it was clean. And we were setting up some things where we found out if we boil it here and then it goes down all those pipelines, does it stay bacteria free when it gets to the other side? So my German doctors were looking at the water samples, making sure that there is no bacteria buildup through distance. So what they would do is they'd take it out of a well or take it out of a lake, and they'd boil it first, and then they would put it into a thing for the drinking water, at least anyway. You could get good, safe, clean drinking water, because there was a lot of the plague. There was a lot of problems, a lot of bacteria. So, and they were taking samples of every well. They're going all the way around Germany, taking samples of wells to see what kind of bacteria or parasites or whatever. They're checking it all. So, like I said, that was Germany. That was what Germany was doing before World War I, before World War II. Was their doctors were going, is it clean? Okay, yeah, it's clean. Good. Is it safe to drink? Yes, it's safe to drink. This is why everyone loved Hitler. This is why everyone loved me. This is why everyone loved everything that I was doing, because no one wants to drink icky water. No one wants to drink gray water or yellow water. They want to drink good, clean water. So I could offer that. We could offer that. So that's what we did. So that's why Hitler expanded so much. Because we built the aqueducts. We built the electrical power grid. Everyone loved us. Everyone loved me. And then I went off to go build America. Like, technically, I've built every nation. Every country. Every road. My people, in the past, I could just snap my finger and be like, I need 50,000 people to go build this city over here. 50,000 people would be like, I need volunteers. And they'd be like, well, it's for the creator, it's for Lucifer, it's for the American government, for the people that protect and build the clean water and build the safe electrical grid. So polls would be taken. People would be like, yeah, sure, I'll go do it. Coffee pay, freezing temperatures, sign me up. So I had no problem pulling 500,000 people to go build a city for some other people. Or, like I said, Auschwitz, it was no problem building. Like, none of it was a problem. People lined up for me. And I'm the real creator, I'm the real Lucifer. So I could ask and it would just be done. And it would be filmed. Like I said, that's another thing, is people would be filmed building those buildings. I loved documentation. I loved records. Like, yes, these people built this building. Something that Kennedy and Carter and a lot of the others wanted to be removed was, of course, the builders. Those wonderful Russians or those wonderful Germans. They built the buildings. Like, there should be, every road should be documented. The Germans documented their building. The Americans documented their building. The Chinese documented their building. In actual logs as well as photographs. Everything was documented. I wanted it to be documented. I mean, I wanted them to be proud. And they did a lot of things they should be proud of. Right up until the war, I mean. But that wasn't the Germans' fault. They didn't understand what was going on. I didn't understand either. I didn't know it was Kennedy trying to kill me or Bush. Like I said, they couldn't exactly get a lot of people to go and do treason. But they could get one or two people. Cause some problems. Anyway. And trying to keep me from being born. Or kill me. So, anyway, that's what all the problems were about. So, it'd take years before I'd be found out or before I'd release my first messages. Future knew, but anyway, it was. I felt bad for some of the people like Stalin or some of the other good people. Like, it was like either they kill people or someone kills them. Like the truth of, like I say, Nixon, they're like Carter, Kennedy, horrible, horrible people. Only I would know. And I was next on the chopping block. Good luck with that. They're like, we can kill you too. It's like, you can kill me, the real Lucifer, creator of humanity. Yeah, we can kill anyone. Blah, blah, we're the American government. It's like, okay, good luck with that. Anyway, yeah. Nixon thought he could kill me. Kennedy. They all did. I was like, you're really going to try and kill me? My own government? My own board is going to order my death for no reason? Yep. Bush, Kennedy, they all know me. I mean, it's kind of hard to be American president to not know the person who created America, isn't it? So, of course they knew me before I was born. So, anyway, yeah, well, got a bit complicated.